it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and for those of you who celebrate, Merry Christmas! Kind of crazy to think that it's Christmas, especially because I am actually doing this voiceover a couple of days before Halloween. I do December Daily, which you would all know by now if you watch my channel, and it's a pretty big process for me to do a video a day, so I really get far out and scheduled ahead with all of my other videos so that I can still bring you my regular video content and that it's not all just Christmas layout. So I was going to try to find a Christmas photo to scrapbook, but I don't have any left because I finished all my Christmas scrapbooking. I thought I had at a retreat at the beginning of October, but I thought maybe I had one left, or I thought I had maybe one left. I didn't think I was actually finished. So anyway, I'm going to bring you this photo of my stepson putting together toys, though. That's as close as I could get to Christmas. And I'm using a little bit of red and green here today on the layout as well. So while I change my ATG, the other thing I wanted to do was just to thank you all for being so supportive and just for being so kind and, watching my videos and, commenting on them and encouraging me. And I definitely have a really fun time doing this. I think it's part of the hobby within the hobby. But without you guys out there watching it, I wouldn't have anything to do videos for, right? So anyway, thank you again. Thanks especially to all of my subscribers too, and the people who do take the time to comment, because I know that you're all busy too. So anyway, like I said, Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate, and let's get back to the layout. So there's the photo of my stepson working on putting together some toys. I've mounted it on that blue plus sign paper. Most everything from here is from the Simple Stories Little Dude collection, or Little Dude collection. I'll tell you when it's not. So that plus sign paper is the Boy Oh Boy paper, and I'm going to ink all of these edges here just to help delineate it, just because I don't have anything that's multicolored on this right now. A lot of times I'll do a stripe or dots or something with all the colors in that I'm going to use, but I don't. So I want to ink these edges to make it all look like it blends. That green paper that I just mounted is the Boys Rule paper from the collection. And then my background is the aqua stripe paper, which is Play Hard, and then the red paper, which is the back side of the 4x6 Elements paper. And I bought a pretty big collection of this when I bought it, just because I have 2 grandsons and a great nephew that I'm scrapbooking a ton of photos of right now. All right, so then I'm using going to use this little 2x2 cut apart, which says "You are awesome," and that is from the 2x2 square cut, or 2x2 Elements sheet. And then I like that truck there because my grandson made my stepson wear this hard hat while he was doing this, so I thought that was kind of funny. And that chipboard dump truck is from the chipboard stickers from the collection. And I like that because it brings in like that blue that I just put in the background there with the washi tape there, and that washi tape is from Freckled Fawn. So I kind of like the way that, sets off the border between the two, and my stepson's face is lying right along that line on that division, so the washi tape, imaginary part of the washi tape line goes right through his face, which is good. It emphasizes where he is. So I was thinking about using that heart sticker, but I couldn't make it work yet, and I just decided to wait on that. I do know I want at least a small spot for journaling, so I grabbed that journaling spot, and then I saw this heart sticker, so I tried the regular heart sticker and the other heart sticker and thought, well, I can use one of those two and just kind of put them aside for now. I did also quickly try that there was a larger truck on the combo cardstock stickers that you saw me pull for just a second, but it was too big and it didn't have the blue on it, so I decided not to use it. And I'm adding in another piece from the 2x2 sheet, the 2x2 element sheet. That's the little cut apart that says "It's a Boy" thing. All right, so now I went back to that journaling spot, and then this little die cut here, I decided not to put any of those other two hearts on there. So that journaling spot and then that banner up there, that the 100% banner, are both from the bits and pieces, which are the die cuts for this collection. So I'm going to add those together, and then that yellow heart is from the combo cardstock stickers there. All right, I like the way those look. And then I'm just going to grab another heart from that combo cardstock sticker sheet and ink the edges of this as well. And that way, that also does help get rid of any white edges that you can see if that bothers you. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't for me. And that's my gray flannel, Dewdrop gray flannel ink. Which, if you watch my channel, you've seen a gazillion times, and I know I tell you that all the time. All right, so I just grabbed a little phrase sticker. I'm grabbing a couple phrase stickers, again, from that combo cardstock sticker sheet. And I'm going to put those down. One of them says, watch this, and the other one says, oh boy. So it just totally made me laugh and everybody else laugh. It was one of my grandson's birthdays, and he needed to put something together for him, and it just made us all laugh that he was actually wearing a hard hat to do it, because really it wasn't that hard. But anyway, now I'm going to add in a little bit more dimension here, and I'm going to do that with some enamel dots from Freckled Fawn. And I bought these, I was thinking I bought them in some sort of special sale, but actually I don't think I did. I think I just bought, I think they were on sale, but it wasn't a special sale. And they did have, I don't know if they still even do this. I haven't been on Freckled Fawn's website in a while because I didn't need to buy anything more. Not that that ever stops any of us, right? So what's happening here is I just literally ran downstairs. I moved my scrapbook or part of my scrapbook stuff upstairs to a 6-foot table in my living room because I was watching the Hallmark Channel today because they had like a Christmas movie day on today, even though it's not Halloween yet. But there was one I hadn't seen from last year that I wanted to see, so I moved my table upstairs so I could do that today. Yes, I'm a sucker for the Christmas movies, as are a lot of us, I think. Which we will have all just gone through an entire season of Christmas movies by the time you see this. So anyway, I forgot my basket with my black thickers in, so I literally had to run down into my basement scrap room and come back and get them. And that wasn't so bad considering that I had to go pretty far away. So I found that alphabet there, and that is the American Crafts Thickers in the Marquee alphabet. And I'm toying there with thinking about what kind of blue alphabet. And I realized as I'm looking at this, I never wrote down what this actual alphabet name is here, but I can tell you it is an alphabet from My Little Shoebox. So if you need to know a specific name because you want to try to find that, just ask me in the comments and I will look it up for you and get it for you. All right, and I was just making an adjustment. That red paper was actually longer at the top there than the striped paper, and so the washi tape wasn't sitting properly. So I just trimmed that red paper and ended up also trimming the banner there that was on there. So I'm calling this Construction Foreman because, you know, he's the foreman of this whole operation. I did not have an E there, so you just saw me MacGyver a C into an E, and the easiest way to do that with a lowercase is to grab a lowercase c and then just put a period or something, a period or a dot or something in the center for the middle arm of the E. I don't even know what I'd call that. Anyway, You've seen me do that a few times if you've been watching my channel. All right, so I've just about got that done, guys. So once I'm done with that, you will see a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and happy Christmas or Merry Christmas again. I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.